Hola a todos, bienvenidos a mi canal Español con Andrea. Yo soy Andrea and I teach Spanish to foreigners just like you. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at one of the most difficult prepositions for beginner learners of Spanish. This one is preposición para, okay? And before we start the video, I'd like to tell you to subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more videos like this one. If you happen to have a request, then make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to address it as soon as possible. Now, okay, hoy vamos a ver preposición para. Super simple, super easy, with some examples and some exercises for you to practice, which leads me to saying this. You will be able to download a free file with some exercises for you to practice these preposition at the end of this lesson. So make sure to go ahead and do that because first of all, why not? And second of all, it's free. Okay, so let's begin with this preposition. Okay. First of all, let me start by saying that it's invariable. It does not change, and it always goes at the beginning. Before a subject, before a noun, okay, or before an infinitive verb. Okay, let's talk about the ways that we can use this preposition. Basically, objetivo o finalidad. Por ejemplo, he viajado para conocer y para visitar, para vivir, para comer, para estar, para grabar. Okay. Para vivir allí necesitas un permiso. Para escribir necesitas un lápiz. Okay. Como complemento indirecto, por ejemplo, esta mochila es para ti. Este lápiz es para Elena. Este cuaderno es para mí. También podemos indicar dirección. Por ejemplo, esta calle va para la catedral. Esta avenida va para la autopista. Esta calle va para la escuela. ¿Okay? Y también podemos indicar tiempo. Por ejemplo, necesito terminar este proyecto para octubre. Necesito adelgazar para noviembre. Necesito ahorrar para marzo. O para mañana. O para la tarde. And it really depends on whatever you want to say. So that's basically what we use para for, especially if you are a beginner. So again, please subscribe to this channel and remember to download the free exercises so that you can practice this preposition. And don't forget to also check out the link in my description box if you would like to take private lessons with me or to check the rest of my lessons. And I'll see you in the next video. Adios.